Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. A quick update on the Invoices UI. Over here, you can see there's been some changes related to taxes, right? So you can add taxes, obviously. And over here, you can see they show up here. And there's also a nice little breakdown over here, but also that you can kind of hover over here. You know, if you don't know what the 22% tax is, what does it consist of? Maybe there's like several of them, then you can see like a breakdown over here, right? Whatever, depending on what taxes you added. But yeah, I like this breakdown as well. And then just kind of gives a clearer picture if there's like a more complicated tax system. So yeah, that's just something you don't have to do anything. That's just like a new thing, and it's a new update. And this is under invoices. If we go back, if you go under payments, invoices, all invoices, then over here, whichever invoice you're editing, then you're gonna see what you just saw. So that's kind of really short and sweet. And if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on down below, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.